What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to mine in Crimson Desert. If you head across to a quest board right over here near Bluemont Manor, you can grab yourself Rhett's poster, which, upon investigation, tells you about this quest. To start this quest, simply head down and towards Rhett, which is from the signboard just down here. And once we get here, we can interact. So, we'll listen to the request.
And find some decent minerals. I just can't leave the forge.
I've heard there's rich deposits in the rock fissures. With arms like yours, swinging a pickaxe should be a breeze. Fetch me a few good unbroken chunks, would you?
And we're told how to actually use a pickaxe. We can destroy hard rocks and minerals to collect valuable materials. Undo journal, faction quests, earn and commissions, opening it on the map. We can mark it and head all the way out here. Once we've made our way all the way here, just outside of the town, eventually you'll land up at the base of this mountain where you'll find a couple of these different looking rocks. All we need to do here is simply hold F2 to choose an item, and under this tab here we should have a pickaxe. All we need to do now is approach it and hold control or whatever key you use to precision jump, and you can now interact with the rock directly. Whenever the crosshair changes to blue, like on this rock up here, all I need to do is just left click to slam. And we've made ourselves some progress. Look around for rocks that have fallen, and we can take these to collect ourselves some iron ore. That's it. You do need to find rocks that show as blue, so these ones here won't work, but this one will. Slam that, and we can take some of the iron ore here. You might find more valuable resources than just iron ore, but for me this patch only had iron. The rocks that you can actually mine do look a little bit different to the surrounding rocks, but of course, nighttime's not the best time to be doing this. Now, instead of heading all the way back, you'll see a new location is marked on your map, and if it's not, head across to Journal, Faction Quests, and under Hernan Commission, make sure that this one is marked. This takes you to a small little section here, where we can then speak to Rhett's assistant, and
Mineral is even better than I expected. This will make my forge roar to life. You've set my spirits ablaze as well. My thanks. Drop in again, and I'll have fine weapons waiting.
we finished off this quest. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.